did you join YFC?
Because a lot of my friends are in it and I wanted to socialise with them.
To be more confident.
To make new friends and to gain confidence.
That's right,
Yeah.
yeah. Bless you, Gwen made me join.
I don't like it. I love it, love it, love it. Uh-oh. So good it hurts. I don't want it. I gotta have it. Uh-oh. When I can't find the words, I just go. I don't like it. No, I love it. I don't like it. No, I love it. All out, turn the beat up. Hey, now I'm glad to meet ya. Turn up, girl, blow the speaker. Yeah, think about it now, blow the speaker. I'll speak louder, let's get wild tonight. Billionaire bottles, we just down. I'm like, ain't no problem, all my wrongs are right. Alright, alright, I don't like it, I love it. I got another coming in my budget. I got an anaconda in my truck fit. Don't push it, cause I'ma hit it till I jackpot. That's right, wax on, baby, wax off. Act right, you can put it on the black card. All night and I'll spend it, cause I don't like it. I love it, love it, love it. Uh-oh. So good it hurts. I don't want it. I gotta have it. Uh-oh. When I can't find the words, I just go.
What skills do you feel that you've gained from YFC?
A lot more confidence speaking in front of people.
I didn't really know anything about any animals, like stock judging, carcass judging.
So what was your favourite competition in YFC?
It's got to be drama, panto.
Oh,
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Dressing up.
Yeah.